Hey Hokies, just a quick update here on the Quillen Family Spirit Plaza project here at Dietrick Hall. Over the next several months, you're going to see some beautiful transformations to the space. But during that time, the way you access dining services is going to look a little bit different. The first thing to remember is that the dining venues at Dietrick are going to remain operational for the duration of the spring semester. This includes D2, DX, Dietz, and Express Lane. This is a phased project, so make sure you look out for directional signs on the fences that tell you where the entrances are for the closest dining venue. We are so excited for this brand new enhanced space on campus and cannot wait to share the finished product with you.